Hello guys and welcome to another YouTube video today. Today I'll be showing you how do you find your Discord user ID on your phone. So to make it, first of all, I have my Discord right here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna open my Discord. Now I'm already on my profile page, but you see these 5 buttons on the bottom. The rightmost on the bottom is where your profile is located, and actually finding the user ID is not so difficult. It's right on the top. In my case, it's T4H4 hashtag 3662. So if you want a friend to add you, you need this very user ID. Now please note that this hash and this number, this code, it's equally important as your username itself. Like your complete username is your name plus this hash number, and in order for someone to add you, you need both of these. So be mindful when you're giving someone your ID. For them to add you, you need this whole ID. So that's pretty much it about from this video. I hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.